Anybody know who Bigboy is? Yeah. Well, for those who don't know, I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to explain to you who Bigboy is. Now, if you're in the Caribbean, you cannot change from one class to the next in school unless you pass the test at the end of the term. Bigboy could never pass the test. So, he's in class, he's 9 or 10, and he's with 5 and 6-year-olds. You know what I mean? My mother followed him to school to see how he's getting on. And I don't know if you know this, but the schools are built on stilts, some of them. Wooden floor. So, she got under the floor, exactly where Bigboy is sitting. And the teacher is asking questions, and Bigboy is not taking a drop of notice. There's a hole in the floorboard, and they've got his big toe in there. Playing with the hole in the floorboard. Anyway, the teacher says, whose birthday are we celebrating in this season, this festive season? Bigboy not taking a notice. Mother take out the hat pin, took him on his floor. He said, Jesus Christ! Teacher said, well done, Bigboy, well done. He had a donkey, you know, and sometimes he ride the donkey to school. You call the donkey Gigi.
Gigi?
No, Gigi. He tie the donkey right on the almond tree in the schoolyard, and him sit by the window where he can watch him donkey. He's not taking any notice of what's going on in class. So the teacher says, who can spell egg? No, he wants to spell it. Wanted to spell it. So she picked up Bigboy. Bigboy, because he's not taking any notice whatsoever, looked out the window, saw the donkey, broke the rope and running away. He said, E-G-G! Teacher said, well done. Teacher asked the class, who built the ark? You know the story in the Bible? Where the ark was built?
Yeah.
Teacher asked the class, who built the ark?
Noah.
All the children looked around at Bigboy. Them said to him, you know? Bigboy said, Noah. Teacher said, well done, Bigboy. Just when we thought he was getting good. Teacher says to the class, what does the seafood mean? And guess what? Bigboy put up your hand. Me teacher, as a matter of fact, me teacher. Teacher said, what does the seafood mean? Bigboy said, when we go on the bus, all the seafood we can't get none. Did you know that Bigboy mother had 14 kids? She did. And she went to register them with a new doctor. She walked into the reception, and the receptionist says to her, what's the name of the oldest one? Terry. With a Y, the biggest boy. The next one, she says, Terry. With a Y. The next one is a girl. She said, Terry. With a high. Another girl, Terry. With a high. Now the lady get it? She said, you name the one like Terry? She said, yes, because I don't want them. Because for dinner, she said, Terry did already, and the one of them come. When she wanted to watch them, she said, Terry, time to go to bed. And they all run come. So the lady said to her, when you want a specific one, how do you distinguish them? We are, because they by their surname. Right? Bigboy man a drug partner. You know what partner is? We don't produce. We're over the other side of the hill. And they have a horse. But the only time Bigboy get to ride the horse. Have you ever seen a horse close up? It's a big thing. And you can't get up there. Right? So Bigboy parked the horse on the road by the mound. You know, like a hill. And then he jumped on the horse. This is why Bigboy had a limp. I would never know. He jumped on the horse when the mother gave the father money to go pay. And when he get over the Uncle Luke house, he call out, Auntie Luke, me have the partner money. She'll come out, take the partner money, and give him a custard apple to take back to your mother. He never come over the house, you know. Anyway, man, poor man, he smell it, man. It smell good. So he start eat it. And he beat up the whole of it. It makes up all his face everywhere. And as him go on, he said, boy, you know, I wipe up at the house. You know, I don't have to be close. So as he went along, down the lane, there was a tree, and one of the branch was hanging a little bit low. So he thought he would grab some of the leaves off the branch. So he hold up his hand. He's running the house, you know. He hold up his hand to grab the leaf. And if he gets to let go. And the house gone. Bigboy never says, you know. The guy could have walked along, good day. He theoretically had tired. And then he dropped. Boom. Broke his foot. Couldn't move. Uncle Luke coming back from field. After taking him to hospital. When he heal up, he have a limp. But here, Bigboy style it out. Bops. You know what? As a matter of fact, all the black men who walk nice, a Bigboy ain't the color. Right, now, on a Sunday afternoon, Bigboy go for a walk down the riverside. And as he was walking, he saw a pastor baptizing some people. So he walked up close by and stood there. The pastor said to him, Bigboy, no, he said, young man, would you like to find Jesus? He said yes. So he went over to Pastor, and Pastor grabbed him and dipped him in the water. Take him out. He says, have you found Jesus? He said, no, sir. So he dip him again. Hold him down a little longer. Take him up. He says, have you found Jesus? He said, no, sir. Not yet. So he dip him again. Hold him down. Till him foot a kick. I almost stop breathing. Take him up. Have you found Jesus? The boy look up at Pastor and said, you sure you left him down there?